Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150, talking about that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to guys find the fuse for the IWE. This is the integrated wheel end solenoid. Practically that locks, unlocks the wheel hubs. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, and why it's important to test them so you don't waste your time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So what we have here specifically guys, let us show you now. We'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. We'll need to work on the fuse box that's located under the hood in the engine bay, and right behind your car battery you have a fuse box. Let me just zoom in a little bit. This is guys the fuse cover right here. You open that fuse cover and you see your fuse box layout just like that. This one will be the front of the truck, this is towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see how we have different fuses, relays, and those could be really hard to find in small towns, in rural areas, so we'll recommend to actually keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can see where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping. The fuse for the IWE, this is the integrated wheel end solenoid, will be located in that fuse panel right here. And if you come in that row on the left side, 1, 2, that second fuse right here, that 10M fuse is the one that you will need to check guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.